Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Here you can see my 3D printed Game Boy stand. So, as my high-tech professional filming rig can show, this is the stand. It's printed in black PLA at 20% infill and at 0.2mm layer height. The way it works is fairly straightforward. There's two pillars, one at the front with the Game Boy logo emblazoned on it, and the other at the back, which the Game Boy slots into and is propped up simply. The stand was modelled in Autodesk Fusion 360 and it measures 150mm by 80mm. Just for fun, I added these Triforce and Pokeball logos on the back, and I ensured that dust can't get into the cartridge slots. The lettering was done by finding a font that was similar to the Game Boy logo, then adding that to the front of the stand and negatively extruding it. Now, if I get enough requests, I'll upload this to Thingiverse, and check out my page for some other stuff. I'll link that up in the description. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time.